In this video, you're going to learn how to make $700 every single day using Propeller ads. The first thing that you have to do is go to propellerads.com. Don't worry, all the links are going to be in a text file in the pinned comment of this video. The pinned comment is the top comment of the video. Once you're here in Propeller ads, all you have to do is sign up for an account, click sign up, and it's going to ask you if you're a publisher or if you're an advertiser. So you're going to choose that you're an advertiser. Click sign up. After you sign up, just wait for it to load. All right, once you hit this page, it's going to ask you for some information. It's going to ask you what you are. You want to click advertiser, obviously, because you're going to advertise on the website. Then it's going to ask you what type of account you want. You want an individual account. Personal information is going to ask for a first name, last name, country of residence. As you can see, you can pick from any country that you're from. It does not matter where you live. City, just type in the city that you live in. Address, email, phone number. Is going to ask you for some type of messenger. It doesn't have to be a specific one. You can just type in any type of messenger that you have and type it here in this box right here. After you've done that, just click here on continue, and that is it. Your account is done. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I click next. It actually asks you for some more information. Tell us a little bit more about your experience. So it's asking for your business model. What you want to do is you want to click here and you want to select this first option here. I want to advertise CPA networks or direct advertisers. Click on that. When it asks you what type of CPA networks you currently work with, you want to type here CPA Grip, CPA Lead, and TapMob. That's because these are the three that I'm going to teach you how to use to get offers to this website. What advertising formats are you planning to use? You want to choose this one on click. Now it's going to ask you what verticals you work with. All you have to do is click here and type in lead generation. Just select lead generation and that's it. Don't worry about that. How did you hear about us? Just click here and type in YouTube. Comments is optional. You don't have to type anything in there. Just click I accept. I'm not a robot, and that's it. Sign up. After you sign up, it's going to ask you to confirm your email. It's going to send you a link to your email. All you have to do is go to your email and click that link. If you don't see the email, look in your spam inbox because you might find it there. After you do that, then it's going to ask you to set a password for your account, which is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so once we set a password, we're in the account right now. For now, you're going to leave this account as it is. Don't do anything yet. Now we're going to go to cpagrip.com. If you want, you can also use TapMob the app to get some offers, which I'm going to show you how you can do at the end of this video. But for now, we're going to use CPA Grip because TapMob requires that you be verified. So CPA Grip, you can instantly get offers. Let's go to cpagrip.com. Once again, all links are in the text file. So just look over there if you're looking for anything, any resource. All right, let's log in. Before we continue with this video, I want to offer you a huge opportunity. Have you ever thought about starting your YouTube channel and getting results like these that you're seeing on the screen right now? These are my results from the last 28 days. It's not even a month. In this program, I'm going to teach you how I went from 0 to 160,000 subscribers in 4 months. How I went from making $0 a month to making over $50,000 every single month. This that you're seeing on the screen right now is just the ad revenue alone. That's not taking into account brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, course sales, merch sales. Plus, you can grow any other business that you might think of starting in the future due to your YouTube audience. The opportunities are endless. On the low end, my channel is making $660 every day. On the high end, it's making $1,500 every single day. Let's say you make the low end of that. What would you do with $660 every single day? That's an extra $20K a month. Would you retire your family, go on vacation, travel the world, pay those student debts, pay those credit card loans? What would you do with the money? This course is selling today for only $247. This is the cheapest YouTube course you're going to find, period. And I'm going to teach you A to Z everything that I did in my channel to grow from 0 to 160K in 4 months and to be able to have a salary of $30,000 to $50,000 every single month in 4 months. And on top of that, the people that join the course have access to my daily AMAs in a Discord server, which I answer personally via the voice channel, any question that you might have. Don't hesitate, go join now. Click the link in the description and I'll see you inside. Now let's continue with the video. If you don't have an account at CPA Grip, I rewind it here a little bit just to show you how to register. I've showed this here on the channel before, but I'm going to show it again. All you have to do is click register on the top right corner. Click on that. Then when it's asking you to sign up now, all you have to do is put your first name, last name, company name you don't have to put in if you don't have one. In website, you can either put your YouTube channel link or you could check out my System.io video and get a funnel for that and put it in here. If you don't have anything, you're not required to put a website in here. Don't worry. Put your street address, your country, city, state, postal code, phone number, and Skype. For some reason, they ask for a Skype. I don't know why. Nobody uses Skype anymore, but if you don't have anything, just type in anything. Doesn't matter. You could just type in anything in there, literally. In publisher type, you want to select website instant and then put your email address, password, and then confirm a password. Put your time zone in, and then you want to agree to the terms and click register now. I'm just going to log in. Once you log in, what you want to do is you want to click here on offer tools and you want to click here on my offers, you're going to be faced with a lot of offers that a CPA group offers you. For you to be able to make money with this, you need to find something that is email submits. So what you have to do is go to category, and you want to click all categories. You want to select email zip submit. Then what you're going to be seeing is only email submit offers. What this means is a person goes into that link, they're going to leave their email, and you're going to win the amount that they're promising right here. All right, so we filtered by email zip submits. Then what you want to do is you want to filter by mobile, because most of the people that are going to be seeing these offers are going to be using a mobile phone, and we're going to be advertising to mobile phone users. Okay, so you want to select mobile. The country right now is set to United States. Remember that, because this is important. It depends. It doesn't have to be United States, but whichever country that you choose, you need to remember, because when we advertise on a website, we're going to have to choose the country. So remember what country you're choosing right now. In my case, it's United States, and I choose mobile offers. Then I'm going to look for mobile all. So if you look here on the left hand side, you can see that there's iOS offers and there's Android offers. I want to choose one that both users can use. Okay, so I'm going to go for mobile all, and I'm going to choose this one. Click on it. Before you click on it, actually come up here where it says your affiliate link, your affiliate number. Copy just the number. Don't copy this thing here, just copy the number. Click on your offer, paste the number at the end of this link here. Just click paste. So it should be the affiliate link equals your affiliate number. Copy this. This is your affiliate number, right? Your affiliate link. What you want to do right now is you want to go back to Propeller ads, and you want to click create a campaign. Before you do that, just go to docs.google.com. Let's save our affiliate link in a specific file so we don't lose it. So go to docs.google.com, click blank, and then you want to paste it here just so we don't lose it. Okay, again, the links for all that I'm mentioning here on the video are in the text file below, so just keep it here so I don't lose it. Let me go back to Propeller ads. Now we clicked create a campaign on the top right corner, and this page opened up. What is this? This is you creating a campaign to advertise your link. Okay, bear in mind, to do this method, you're going to have to spend a little bit of money, but don't worry, because I'm going to help you guys that have no money at the end of this video. Just stick around and watch how you can do this, because this is important. All right, for the campaign name, just choose the name of your offer. In my case here, it's a grab a 750 PayPal gift card. I'm going to copy and paste it here. Now you want to go for this one, on click. Remember, we chose it before when we were opening the account. On click, this is the one we want. Now we want to choose here direct click. In here, pricing model, you want to leave it at CPA Gold 2.0. Here where it says target URL, you can just go and copy your affiliate link, copy it, come back to Propeller ads and paste it here. All right, now it's going to ask you traffic options. Direct link campaigns use top converting placements selected by our algorithms. Okay, so include anti-ad block. You want to leave that on, because if someone has an ad block, they're not going to be able to see your ad. Okay, so you want to include an anti-ad block. Countries. Remember, we selected a country. In my case, it's United States. For you, it could be something else. So I'm just going to choose United States. CPA goal, I'm just going to choose $1. And cities, you don't want to target by that, so just leave it blank. Advertising budget, you can choose an advertising budget that fits you. So you could just choose $10, $15, $20. Let's just choose 10 for now. So it has to be at least $30. So you have to choose at least $30 as a budget for your campaign. So this stuff, you don't want to mess around. Just put your campaign budget. It has to be at least $30, and then you want to declare that you agree. Just click this, and then you want to start the campaign. So it's not letting me start the campaign because I didn't add any credits to the website. And before you start a campaign, one thing I forgot to tell you is that you have to add a click ID. So what you have to do is add this thing to the end of your link. I'm going to leave this in the text file below so you don't get lost. Okay, but basically this is what you have to do. I'm going to recap this just so you understand. Okay, so in CPA Grip, once you want to get your link, all you have to do is copy this number here. That's the first step. Copy this number, go back to your offer, click on it, and it's going to show you your affiliate link. Copy your affiliate number at the end. Okay, now that you've done that, just select everything, click copy, go back to Propeller ads. Let me just wipe this. Once you're here and it asks you for your link, all you have to do is paste your link from CPA Grip the way that you copied it. Now you have to add a click ID to the end. Just click on this and it's going to add this click ID to the end. What is this? It's going to use this to track the conversions. Okay, don't have to worry about it. Just click on click ID and that's done. After you've done that, after you reach the end, all you have to do is start the campaign. Okay, so as you can see now, if I click start campaign, it's going to let me. It's just not going to let me because it needs to have $30 on file. All right, another trick that I recommend that you do is you can get a free funnel from me. You can go to my System.io video, which I'm going to link it for you at the end of this one. Get a bridge page, aka landing page, and then you can advertise the link to your landing page instead of advertising the direct link of your affiliate sale. Doing it this way, you're going to be able to get people's emails before they buy from you. That way you can market to them in the future more products. But basically, this is how you do the campaign. All you have to do is set a name, set an on click, direct click, CPA Go 2.0, add your link the way I showed you correctly. If you don't add it correctly, you're going to have problems with this part right here. So pay close attention to this link here, okay? After that, select the country. You don't need to select the city or state. Just select the budget for your campaign. It has to be at least $30, and then you can start the campaign. This website requires you to add a budget first. So if you want to add the budget, just click here on this $sign on the top right corner. It's going to take you to a page where you can add funds, and it's going to give you the option of using a bank card, Union Pay, wire transfer, PayPal, and Skrill. Okay, so you have lots of options to fund your account. Once you fund your account, then you can just go create your campaign and you can start making money right away. So the way that you're going to be making money with this video today is by using CPA grip offers, tap mob offers, or you could go to CPA lead. You're going to get a CPA offer basically, and you're going to come to Propeller ads, run ads, and make money. Speaking about offers, if you haven't yet taken advantage of the Webull offer, they're giving away $30,600 just for signing up to the app and making a qualifying deposit of at least $1. If you just sign up for free and make a deposit of $1, they're going to give you 12 fractional shares of up to $30,600. Basically free money. And if you want to get prior access to these money making methods, go join the Discord, because people in my Discord and the mailing list get access to these methods 7 days before they're posted here on the channel. So go join the Discord or the mailing list. Now let me explain once again step by step what you're going to be doing to make money with this method. Number 1, go to Propeller ads and register for an account. Number 2, go to a CPA website like TapMob, CPA Grip, CPA Lead, and get your CPA offer like I showed you. Number 3, if you want, you can get a landing page before you set your ad campaign. Number 4, comment Propeller ads on the comments of this video so I know that you watched this video until the end. And number 5, if you want to learn how to make the money to run these ads, click this thumbnail on the screen right now and you'll be redirected to my video where I show you where you can make money to start running these ads ASAP. I'll see you on that video. Work hard, play hard.